How to share post on Instagram story. So if you want to share either your post or others post on your Instagram story, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to share post on Instagram story, all you just need to do first, if you want to share your home post, is go ahead and open the Instagram app, and either on your profile page or on the feed, click on the plus icon. Then here, make sure you select story. Then here, you'll be prompted to capture yourself, or click on this image icon at the bottom left and then select what you want to post on your Instagram story. Then once you selected it just like this, then you can just click on this sticker button to add links, add location, mention music, and then the rest of them. You can also add avatar, countdown, and hashtag. Now, if you click on this button AA, then you'll be able to add text to the Instagram story, or click on the music icon to add song. Click on this people icon to tag people. Then if you click on this star icon, then you'll be able to add effect to your Instagram story like this. You see that? And then once you're done, you can just go ahead and click on the done button and then go ahead and share this on your story. However, if you want to share other story on your Instagram story, all you just need to do is go ahead, locate the story you want to share your Instagram story. Let's say this. Then go ahead and click on this paper icon, which looks like airplane mode. Now, once you selected that, you can share with your friends on Instagram. So just select the friends you want to share this with, or search for the name of the friends you want to share this with. If you click on the paper icon top there, then you'll be able to search or send to group. You see that? You can easily send this post to group or reels to group. Then, if you want to share on another social media platform, once you click on the paper icon, then locate the share button. Then here, you'll be able to share this on WhatsApp, Chrome, Facebook, X, save on Gmail, or share with your friends on this list. So you can also copy the Instagram post URL or link and then share it, or you can also share this on your Instagram story. Just swipe like this and then select add to story. And once you click on add to story, hang on while the page loads. And once it loads successfully, then you want to click on this send button to add this to your Instagram stories. So that is basically how to share posts on Instagram story. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.